Goodyear Eagle 360. Goodyear presented its idea of how tires will be in the long-term future, and is fundamentally different from the modern models thanks to its spherical shape. According to the manufacturer, the 3D printed tire will gain popularity as the self-driving cars become more common. The distinctive shape of Goodyear Eagle 360 provides safety and maneuverability required for self-driving cars. The spherical shape is the main condition for perfect maneuvering. The tires can move in every direction, guaranteeing the safety of the passengers. Thanks to the active technology, the tires move in a way that makes the car steadier during unforeseen situations on the road. The unique form of the tire provides a smooth ride by creating a fluid lateral movement. This helps the car to overtake an obstacle without changing its driving direction. The tires are connected to the car thanks to a technology which is also used in magnetic levitation trains, which increases passenger comfort and reduces noise.